Hello viewers, welcome to UN College Digital class. In today's class, I am going to discuss about loop programming in C++. In the previous session of C++, already we have discussed about lots of concepts, lots of programming approach, etc. And we know that the logic can be categorized into three categories. One is sequential logic, one is conditional logic, and the last one is iterative logic. In this class, I am going to discuss about iterative logic. Let's start. In C++ programming, iterative logic can be represented in three different ways. Those are for, while, and do while. In today's class, I am going to discuss about for. For is used, it is a statement, we may say that it is a loop statement or a keyword or a reserved word which is used to represent a loop. What is the meaning of loop? First let me explain it. What is the meaning of loop? Suppose in day-to-day life you are doing a particular task for one time, it's okay, no problem, it is very simple one, just like a sequential logic, okay. But suppose you are doing a particular task repeatedly for number of times. Suppose you are memorizing a table, you are practicing something for number of times, for number of hours, etc. It means that you are doing the same task repeatedly. That is called as loop in programming. And to use the loop, each programming language use some particular statement, particular keyword. Generally, those are for, while, and do while. So now, the syntax of for is, first one, this one is for, bracket start, statement 1, colon, statement 2, again colon, statement 3. Then opening brace, number of statements what you need to execute number of times, then closing brace. Now we will explain what is the meaning of statement 1, then statement 2, then statement 3. Actually, when you are doing a particular task for number of times, it means that there is a starting point, okay. Similarly, in programming also, the first statement represents the starting point, which we may say that initial value, okay. It means that from which point you will start. Then the second one, statement 2. What is the meaning of this? It means that you will suppose you are doing a task for 10 times. It means that you will start from 1 and you will continue again and again. You will do the same task repeatedly up to 10. It means that here statement 2 represent the condition up to which you need to continue the job. And the statement 3, what is the meaning of this? This is used to perform or do the operation of updation. Update, it means what? Suppose you are doing a task from 1 to 10 times, okay. It means that after doing the first time, you will increase one counter to 2. After doing the second time, again you will increase the counter to 3. It means that you are updating the counter value, and to use that one, statement 3 is used. In this way, statement 1, this is the initial value, then statement 2 which represents the condition, then statement 3 which represents the updation. It does not mean that always you need to update from 1 to 10. It means that increasing order. It may be decreasing order. Suppose you are doing a task and the starting value is 10 and you want to continue up to 1. It means that here each time you will decrease the counter value by 1. It means that according to your requirement, either you will increase the value or you will decrease the counter value. Then opening brace and closing brace. Here, if the for loop consists of only one statement, then opening brace, closing brace is optional. But if the for loop consists of multiple statements, then it is compulsory. So it is always better to use opening brace and closing brace. Now I am writing a very simple program so that the for loop concept will be clear. Let's assume that suppose you want to display 1 to 10 and calculate the sum. It means that let the question is display 1 to 10 and also display the sum of 1 to 10. Let the question is okay. So here the example or the program will be, first time I am writing the program without using class and object, second time again I will write the same program or some other question by using class and object. So here according to the question we need one integer variable I which is used as a counter, one sum variable to perform the addition operation of 1 to 10, and initially sum value will be 0. Then we will start the for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10. Let me first complete the program, then I will explain the program step by step. Cout I, then sum equal to sum plus I, then closing brace. Then at the end cout sum. Okay, it is a very simple program. Let me explain it. So what was the question? The question was that display 1 to 10 along with the addition of all those numbers. It means that here we need to display 1 to 10 and also we need to display the sum of 1 to 10. So here I have taken I, one counter, you may say that it is a counting variable, and sum equal to 0. Why sum is needed? To add 10 number and to store the result to the sum variable. You may use any other variable name also. Loop will be started from for I equal to 1, obvious, because we need to calculate. First let me write here, we will calculate from 1 to 10. Okay. So the first value will be 1. And the condition means up to what extent you will continue the repetition, that will be 10. Here the condition is I less than equal to 10. Then I plus plus. Why I plus plus? Because we need to increase the value at each iteration. So let's explain the logic. For the first time I value is 1. Let me write here the I value. For the first time I value is 1 and the sum value is 0. Okay. Now it will enter inside the loop. Cout I. Output will be 1 for the first time. Sum equal to sum plus I. So here sum value will be 1. Then when the closing brace will be reached, at that time again the loop, the condition will be checked. Is the condition is true? If the condition is true, then the loop statement or the coding will be executed again. So as here initial value of I equal to 1, now after this execution, according to the as we have used I plus plus, it means that I equal to I plus 1. So now at the second time I value will be 2. Okay. So here I value will be 2 and the condition is true. Again it will enter here cout I, so output will be 2. Then sum equal to sum plus I. So sum equal to, initially sum value is 1, now sum value will be 3. I and this one is sum. Okay. Then after executing this one, again the condition will be checked here. When the condition will be checked here, according to the updation, now I value will be 3. Okay. And the condition is true. Now it will enter again here cout I. So we will get the output. Here let me write the heading here so that you will be clear how the execution value, iteration value will be executed with each iteration and how we are getting the output here. Okay. So I value will be 3 and we have got the 3 value. Sum equal to sum plus I. Sum value is 3 now, 3 plus 3 it is 6. Then after during this execution I value is increased, now I value is 4 and the condition will be checked here, this condition is true. Again it will enter here cout I. So we will get I value 4. Then sum equal to sum plus I. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. With this execution updation operation will be performed and I value will be 5. And when I value will be 5, the condition is true, no problem. Again it will enter here cout I, output will be 5 here, sum equal to sum plus I. So now the sum value will be 15. Again condition will be checked and at the time of checking the condition I value is increasing, that is 6, condition is true. Now see out I, we will get the output 6 here, sum equal to sum plus I, this is 21. Again condition checking, and during the condition checking I value is increasing to 7. So yes, the condition is true. Now you will get the output 7. In this way you will get output for 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So let me complete writing here. Now in this way, each time with each iteration I value will be incremented, and in this way we will get the result. Okay. When the I value will be 10, at that time we are getting the sum 55, but after that when the I value is 10, it's okay, no problem, but after 10 I value will be incremented to 11, and when it will be 11, at that time the condition will be checked, and as the condition is false, so control will come out from the loop and we will display sum. And in the for loop we have calculated the sum and the final result of sum is 55. So here we got the result 55. In this way for loop is executed. It is very simple to understand, it is very easy one. And one more thing is that this portion and this portion is optional. Okay, the condition portion is compulsory, but you may use this portion or you may not use this portion, no problem. But if you don't want to use this portion, then the coding will be something different. Now I am writing the same question with the different coding in using for loop. Suppose I am writing for and only condition. Suppose here I want to use only condition, no initialization and no increment decrement. In that case, how the for loop will be written? Then I less than equal to 10, this one. Opening brace, then C out, and here yes I have to initialize I equal to 1, C out I, sum equal to sum plus I, then I equal to I plus 1. In this way you may write. I have not written the same program, total program, whole program. I have just represented the logic here. Okay. In the previous program, we have used the initialization part here and increment decrement part here, updation part here. But here I have just omitted those two parts, initialization part and increment part. Also you can write the loop in this way. And one thing extra is that, suppose in any program you are writing this type of logic, it is also okay. It is also not a big issue, okay, not a big problem. Here this loop is using a condition in which the loop will be executed for infinity time. Okay, later we will discuss on that. Let's discuss about nested for loop. Suppose you are writing a program in which you are using a loop inside another loop. It means that when you are using number of loops in a nested manner, then that type of loop is called as nested loop. And nested for is written in this way. One for, you will write the initialization part, then a condition, then update, and inside this for loop again you are using another for loop, initialization part, condition and update, and opening brace, here the statements, then closing brace. If you want to use some extra statement here for this for loop, okay, you may write the statement here, then closing brace. Here we are using two for loop in a nested way, and this type of structure is also popular in programming. This is the outer for loop, this is called as the outer for loop, and this one is called as inner for loop. Let me explain the nested for loop using a simple program. Suppose in a question you are asked to draw a pattern. Let the pattern is A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. Okay. It is general, it is called as pyramid also. Suppose you are asked to draw this type of pattern. Okay. Then here we will use the for loop. Which for loop? Nested for loop. Void main. And as for one for loop we are using a single counter, and here we need to use two for loop, that's why two counter. So here int I and then j, and here I am using character variables, and for that I need to use one character variables here. Here all these are character constant. So here I am using a character variable. Let the character variable name is *ch. Then we will start the programming. For I equal to 1, I less than equal to. In this program I have used two for loop in a nested way. This for loop is the outer for loop and this for loop is the inner one. Okay. Let's start. Initially I value is 1, I will be continued. It means that the outer for loop will be continued for 5 times, as here the condition, the value is, final value is 5, I plus plus. For the first time the loop will be continued. Ch, the character variable, will be initialized with a, because in the pattern we have started the first constant, character constant, as a, that's why. And the inner for loop value, I have used the counter value or index value as j equal to 1, j less than I. Initially I value is 1, and for that reason this loop will be executed only for once, and here we have got cout ch value is a, that's why we have got this output in the first time in this loop. Okay. And ch plus plus, obviously yes, you can increase one character value just like one integer value by using plus and minus operator. You can increase the value with it by using the plus, and you can decrease the value by using minus, no problem. So here when we are increasing the value, obviously the ch value will be increased to b, because initially ch value is a and the next value is b, that's why here ch will contain b, but the condition will be false for the second time because j value will be 2, and the condition is here that j is less than equal to I value is initially 1, that's why this loop will be executed only for once, we will get this output. Then the control will come here, /n, we have used /n here to come to the next line, then closing brace of this for loop, again the control will come here, here the I value is increased and now the I value is 2. And again the ch value will be initialized with a, and this loop will be executed how many times? 2 times. Why? Because here the I value is 2 now, and j value is 1, 1 to 2, it means that this loop will be continued for 2 times. Cout ch value is a for the first time, so we will get this output. Then ch plus plus, now ch value is b here, b constant, then this loop will be checked again here, and now the j value is 2 because as per the increment operator, and here we will get output cout ch, this one. Then ch plus plus, now ch will be c, but it is not required now, and when again the control will be checked, now j value is 3, condition is false, it will come out cout/n. So now we will come to this line, next line. Again this for loop will be checked. It means that when one iteration of the outer for loop is executed, the inner for loop will be executed from the initial value to the final value. Okay. So at the third iteration, now I value is 3 and this condition is true and ch equal to a. Now this loop will be continued for 3 times. Why? Because I value is 3 and j value is initialized with 1 to 3. Cout Ch. Ch value is A, so we will get this output, then Ch plus plus. Now Ch value will be B, again this loop will be continued, J value will be 2, this condition is true, and we will get this output, Ch plus plus. Now Ch value will be C, again the condition will be checked, and output we will get output this one, Ch plus plus. Now Ch will be D, which is not required, okay, no problem. And now J value will be 4 and the condition is false, that's why it will come out Cout/N. Now line will be come here. We will come to the next line, and again now the I value will be 4 and the condition is true. Now again it will enter here, Ch will be A, then J equal to 1, J less than equal to I. It means that now this loop will be continued for 4 times, okay. This condition is true, it will come here, we will get this output now, then Ch plus plus, now the Ch value will be B, again it will be checked, yes the condition is true, okay, because why? Because I value is 4 now, at the 4th iteration I value is 4 and the loop will be continued for 4 number of times. So Cout Ch and the Ch value we will get here B, then Ch plus plus, now Ch is C, this condition is true, okay. Cout Ch, we will get C output, then Ch plus plus, now Ch value will be D. Again this condition is true, yes obvious, why? Because now I value is 4 and J value is also 4. Cout Ch, we will get D, then Ch plus plus, now Ch value will be E, which is not required here, but it's okay, no problem. Now it will come here, here I value is now 5 and the condition is false, so it will come out and Cout/N. Now we will come to this point. Again, now I value is incremented to 5. This condition is true. Yes, this condition is true. Ch equal to A. Again it is initialized. Okay. This initialization is required every time. Why? Because here in this pattern you can see that each time the starting value is A. That's why the initialization is required. Now I value is 5, J equal to 1. It will continued 1 to 5 means 5 times. Cout Ch. Initially Ch is A, that's why we will get this output. Then J plus plus, second iteration, now previously Ch was B and we will get this output. Then Ch plus plus, then again J plus plus, and this condition is true. Yes, this condition is true. Cout Ch. We will get this output, then Ch plus plus and J plus plus, condition is true, yes condition is true, and then we will get this output, then Ch plus plus and also J plus plus, condition is true, yes condition is true, Cout Ch, this one, then Ch plus plus, F, condition is true, no, now the condition is not true, why? Because now I value is 6 and we need to continue the loop from 1 to 5. As J value is 6 now, that's why the condition, the loop is violating the condition, okay, and for that reason it will come out from the loop. And when it will come out from the loop, now again the outer loop will be checked, and here also outer loop is also violating the condition. Why? Because when the condition is executed, at that time the I value is increased to 6, and in this way this condition is violating the rule, okay, and in this way we get this type of output. I hope you have got some basic idea about for loop, including with nested for loop. If you have any doubt, then please write to me in the comment box so that I can clear your doubt. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time.